Today I will tell you about how we can install MetaMask extension on Chrome. First, you need to visit Chrome Web Store, then you need to search MetaMask. Then click on MetaMask, and then click on Add to Chrome. Let's do it. Search for Chrome Web Store and open it. Then search for MetaMask. Now click on MetaMask. After that, click on Add to Chrome. This will download the extension. Downloading extension will take some time. Then click on Extensions and pin MetaMask extension on your browser. MetaMask is opening. Now we will create our wallet. Click on checkbox and click on Create a new wallet. Then again, click on checkbox and click on I agree to proceed further. After that, create a password for your wallet. Then click on checkbox and click on Create a new wallet to proceed further. Then click on Remind me later to proceed further. Click on checkbox and skip this step. You can later on get your secret recovery phase. Then click on Done and click on Next and Done to proceed further. Finally, your wallet is now created. Now we are exploring wallet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more updates.